Well, hi there, everybody. Good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. You made it to the end of another week, and you've also made it back to more typical November weather after we were very spoiled for the first 4 days of the month. Yesterday we saw that transition. Now we've settled into that cooler weather expected for the next several days to come here. As we look at our futurecast here, a chilly start to our morning with temperatures mostly in the 30s. We are seeing increasing clouds. It is going to be mostly cloudy for much of the area today. Perhaps even a couple of sprinkles or very light showers not out of the question. Those clouds will clear up tonight, and it will be quite chilly again. In fact, maybe a little colder tomorrow morning, as many could fall back into the 20s for overnight lows. And then tomorrow we'll return to lots of sunshine, not too much wind, and we'll see those cool temperatures stick around with mostly 50s in the forecast for your Saturday. Well, looking ahead to what the forecast looks like for today, temperature-wise, mid-40s to mid-50s up towards the north with mostly cloudy skies, maybe even partly cloudy. Northwest winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And all areas have a very small chance of very light rain or sprinkles today, not going to amount to much. Low 50s out towards the west. We'll see mid to upper 50s, even near 60 degrees down towards Beloit, Kansas, as you look towards the south here, and to the east looking at mainly mid to upper 50s for afternoon highs. For the tonight, the forecast, we have 11-man football going on, Class B playoffs. We have literally Class A, B, C1, and C2 playoffs going on this evening. We'll start you off with the Class B game between Gretna and Aurora. The Huskies hosting the Dragons. Low 40s to start things off there at 7 o'clock. Upper 30s by the end of the game. Not too much wind. A little bit of an earlier kickoff, a 6 p.m. kickoff in Holdridge as Boys Town comes into Holdridge to take on the Dusters. 46 to start things off, 39 by the end of the game. And then Sutton traveling to Aquinas Catholic there in eastern Nebraska. They'll be looking at temperatures in the lower 40s and upper 30s there during the game. And again, not too much wind out there as well. Looking ahead to tomorrow in eastern Nebraska in Lincoln and Memorial Stadium for tailgating. Looks all right, a little cool but not bad with temperatures in the 40s and 50s, but plenty of sunshine and not too much wind. By kickoff there at 6 o'clock between the Spartans and the Huskers, we got mid-40s and mid-30s by the end of the game there around 9:30-ish. In the evening hours. So not terrible weather, especially considering it is early November. Pretty good football weather out there in Memorial Stadium. Hopefully the Huskers can pull off the big upset this weekend. Looking at your extended forecast, so we got 50s again the next couple of days. And then beyond today, we're going to be looking at temperatures warming back into the 60s, lower 60s on Sunday, Monday. A little more of a breeze, but the sunshine sticking around. Mostly sunny Tuesday, mid-60s. And then the question marks come into play starting Tuesday night all the way through Thursday morning. Forecast models indicating that a storm system is going to be coming into the area. The big question is, how powerful is the system? One forecast model has it as a pretty weak storm system. Another one brings in some pretty good precipitation. The timing of the system, one of them has it out of here by Wednesday night. The other one sticks it around through Thursday morning. And then how cold does it get with the system? Because the colder it gets, obviously we'd be talking about snow mixing in with rain. So for now, I've thrown in a slight chance of some showers for Tuesday night, a little bit better chance for Wednesday. And by Wednesday night, as things start to kind of wind down a little bit, mixing in some snow, and then they kind of wind down again on Thursday morning. So I have a rain-snow mix there. And I am going a little colder, going with temperatures in the 40s. Some other outlets going with temperatures in the 50s for Wednesday and Thursday. Again, it just depends on how much cold air comes in with the storm system. So there will be some big questions that hopefully I can answer a little bit better as we get towards next week. Like, will we see snow or not? That's kind of the big question at this point. And if we do, how much would we be talking about? So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.